I feel like these pockets are just like crying bougie. I'm here for it. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. So here's a title you probably thought you'd never see from me. I feel like it's a known fact, if you know anything about me, that I hate wearing jeans. But I will say there have been some really cool recent trends with denim that I've seen on TikTok and celebrities and just like the cool people of Instagram. Clarification, I am not one of those cool people. And I feel like the denim trends right now are pretty fire. I think there can also be an exception for me personally to wear jeans if there's some kind of accessory on them to add a little something to it, because you guys know I just like don't with things that are uncomfortable. And jeans for me, for the most part, because I am a natural bloater, are not comfortable. But for the sake of the DIY and the sake of fashion, your girl is gonna DIY some denim today. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Make sure to subscribe to the vlog channel and also the podcast channel Wild Till 9. We're going on our 5th episode right now, and she is pretty wild over there. It is completely laurDIY unfiltered, something you also thought that you may never see from me. All right, so I've got 3 denim flips coming at you, and let's hop right in. Okay, so our first DIY denim flip is on a pair of dark wash jeans, and I just got these off of Amazon, and honestly, for like a mom jean, random no trying on situation, these fit pretty well. I'm not entirely sure what brand they are, but I'll be sure to link this exact pair that I got from Amazon in the description box. On Amazon, I also picked out some really cute iron-on flower patches. I, as a small child in the 90s, would have absolutely and possibly had a pair of jeans just like this, and I am so excited that this style is back. I'm picturing my outfit right now, and it's like white bucket hat with a pink off-the-shoulder cropped like tank top with these jeans, and I am stoked about it. Jeremy's gonna absolutely hate. But I'm excited. So I'm thinking like 3 to 4 inches spaced out, just kind of sporadic, no exact pattern or anything, and we'll go ahead and iron these on. I had a second pack that is en route but got lost in the mail, which I'm kind of sad about. So it may have to be a little more spaced out than I originally planned so that I can cover both sides. I'm excited. These are V cute. So I guess this next segment is just gonna be a lot of me sitting here sedentary holding the iron, but my specific pack says 30 seconds per flower, so I'm gonna be here for a minute. You also have the option to obviously sew on all of these patches, but I try and opt for the iron on just because it is so much easier. Okay, that's 30 seconds. Oh, she on there. I feel like the ideal scenario right now, if I had 2 irons going, since there's not a lot of like actual brain function going into sitting here with the iron on it. These are cute. They're so 90s it hurts, and I love it so much. Okay, so I think that I divvied them up enough that we can do like some solid coverage on the back, but like here's what we're working with. This is just not the angle for me. Okay, let's flip them over and I'm gonna do the other side. This set also came with some black ones, but I feel like they're like a little emo, right? I don't know. I feel like the vibe would either be like do all black little daisies or do no black little daisies. So I've opted to leave them out. We will come back for you for another project. I feel like this probably just isn't the vibe. I'm having trouble deciding if there should be a flower in the butt crack. Things that I've never had to say before. Like a pocket flower, obviously, yes, makes sense. But it's like, it's weird to do them both right here. So it's like, I feel like one needs to kind of be like on the butt cheek, right? Maybe we do a pink one. That's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Yeah, okay, we're going for it. Butt cheek flower, let's go. She's so cute! Oh my God. So here is the front. Here is the back. So cute. Oh my God, there's like the butt crack flower. She's cute. Honestly, she's cute. You know what? I feel good about the butt crack flower. I'm so excited to take some photos in these. I'm actually doing a cute little shoot this weekend, so the B-roll for this in like the afters is gonna be cute. Say you want me. Oh, say you want me back. Okay, I genuinely am so excited for this flip because I have been dying for a pair of jeans like this. And I feel like the DIY essence of this style is strong and I am here for that. So I've got my base pair of jeans that I know already fit. I went to a thrift store and picked out just like a bunch of different washes of denims. So this one is a little bit darker and there's some distressing. This one is a really cool like square patchwork situation almost. And then this one is a little bit lighter with some more distressing as well. Ooh, double the fabric. Love that. So definitely consider either using denim that you don't wear anymore to cut up for your patches or to hit up a thrift store. I think these were all about $7.50-ish each. And also you can totally just get a second pair of jeans, or if you have an old pair of jeans to cut up, that's a different color than the wash of the jeans that you're going to be DIYing on. So I'm gonna start by cutting these up into some different size rectangles, and then we'll piece them together and place them. And then you can either hand sew or use fabric glue. I'm using the Gorilla fabric glue that bonds denim together, and we'll build out like a custom patchwork set of jeans. Highly recommend getting a rotary cutter and a cutting mat if you are an avid crafter like I am. Scissors obviously are great, my tried and true, but things go so fast with the rotary cutter and I'm a huge fan. Definitely the most fun part, but like a little nerve-wracking. So I'm planning out all of my pieces and just like deciding where things are gonna go. I also lined the inside of each pant leg with some scrap fabric just in case the glue bleeds through. Obviously you don't have to worry about that if you are hand sewing, but I'm just lazy. So we are just going to use our fabric glue and hope for the best. So I've been doing a lot of layering and a lot of kind of wrapping along the seams as well, so it's not just like square, square, square on the front. I also haven't decided like how heavily I want these to be patched. I like this section here, I like this section here, and then maybe something small like right here. I've got a lot of fabric to work with. I'm gonna keep planning things out and then we can get started with our gluing. Okay, I'm gonna take photos of all my patch areas so I can remember. And I mean, if it turns out a little bit different, I'm totally okay with that. Okay, oh my God, let's do it. Let's make this permanent. Ooh, this glue is stanky. It smells permanent. Y'all, we are patchwork. These are so cute. I am obsessed. This is such a cute trend and also a great way to upcycle just like old jeans that don't fit anymore or styles that you don't wear, and like big fan of so many different textures and stuff. So this fabric glue needs like a solid 24 to 48 hours to fully dry, and again, B-roll gonna be cute. I'm so excited to shoot like not just like in the DIY room for how cute this is gonna be and put some real outfits together. So without further ado, future Lauren, take it away. This next one is super blingy. This is amazing. The things that you can get on Amazon, I swear. I'll be sure to link this in the description box below as well. I literally typed in crystal trim or crystal fringe trim and found exactly what I was looking for. Basically, I saw a pair of jeans on Revolve that had some really cool like crystal fringe detailing that were like $400, and me being me was like, yeah, no chance. We're gonna DIY these. And so with a little help of Amazon, here we are. So what I'm thinking is just doing a little trim right here on the pockets. Unfortunately, they only had one left, or else I probably just would have gone like buck wild and bought 4, and we would have bejeweled the entire front and back pockets. But I feel like this will be good, and we'll just like keep it controlled and do a little bit of bling. I'm gonna go with my Gorilla fabric glue again and just line the top of the pocket here. I feel like these pockets are just like crying bougie. I'm here for it. So depending on how secure these are feeling, in about 24 hours, once the glue is fully dry, I may go in with just a needle and thread and do like an extra layer of security just with needle and thread to make sure that it's on there forever, because obviously it is like faux crystal and metal, so it does have some weight to it. Also, I forgot to mention that the like crystal fringe was literally so affordable. Definitely looks bougie and more expensive than it should, but it was such an affordable like DIY accessory to add to these jeans that I already had.
Can't control my body, can't control my body, 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 body. I am stuck in a dream and I can't help what I'm feeling. I don't know if I'm breathing when you are with me. My heart is beating. I am stuck in a dream and I don't know if I'm breathing when you are with me. Giving into you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. If you try out any of these denim DIY trends, make sure to send me photos on Twitter or Instagram at laurDIY. And please do yourself a favor and go check out the new podcast. The stuff that we've been talking about is honestly hilarious and just like things that I never thought I'd put on the internet. So I'll have the YouTube channel and also the links to listen to the podcast on Spotify and iTunes and every podcast streaming platform available. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. I will see you on the vlog channel, on the podcast channel, and then on Sunday for another Sunday hour. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's the DIY